Oh, Paisley loves playing in the bed of Pawpaw's truck, don't you, Paisley? Man, it's like a big playpen. I love it. Whoop! Trip down. I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm all right.
Bye.
Yeah, you're all right.
Bye.
Bye. Where you going now? I like playing in the bed of Pawpaw's truck. Throwing out leaves. You good girl? Yeah. Pick up some more leaves out of there and throw them away. Good girl. There you go. Throw it away. Paisley, what you doing? Yeah. Look at the big truck coming. Big truck. Big truck coming. Woo, look at it. Look at that big truck. Look at that big truck. Woo, there it goes. Paisley, come here. Come here. Oh, that sun's bright in your eyes, isn't it? Here she comes. Got your teddy bear in there with you too, don't you? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Okay. You gonna throw him out? You gonna throw him out? Good girl. Paisley. Good girl. Here. Thank you. Trying to get that out of there? Get it out of there. Can you get it? Throw it away. Good girl, Paisley. Pull it out of there. Throw it away. Good girl. Throw trash away. Alright. Got that? Fun times in the bed of Pawpaw's truck. Alright. Say bye.
Bye.